Hi and welcome to this course, Build a Complete E-commerce Website for Watches using Laravel. My name is Mustafa Alawi. I'm a software developer and entrepreneur with several years of experience. I have taught more than 3,000 students online and offline several courses in web development, software development, and entrepreneurship, and I have worked as a consultant on various projects helping local businesses. In this course, you will learn how to create a complete Laravel e-commerce website for watches, and you will be taken from the beginning from setting up the environment PHP. You will be taken from the beginning from how to install PHP and how to install Laravel all the way to building a complete e-commerce store for watches that sells watches. And I'm going to teach you a lot of things in this course. First, I'm going to teach you how to incorporate a complete e-commerce template and how to use Blade template to make your structure, your project structure very amazing, and also how to add images to your project, how to add products to your database, how to get products from your database, how to get watches from your database, how to set prices, how to add the quantities of the watches that you have in your inventory, and then I'm going to move on with you to the most important part of the project, which is allowing customers to add watches to the cart to increase the quantity of the watches that they want to buy from you, and also how to calculate the total that customers should pay. And I'm going to teach you also how to let customers check out. So after they choose the watch or watches that they want to buy, I'm going to teach you how to allow them to check out. So they will be given a form where after they complete that form and after they fill out that form, the order will be made, and you as the owner of the website, you will be notified because data will be inserted in your database and you will know that an order has been made. And then customers will be given a payment option, and that payment option is going to be PayPal. I'm going to teach you how to integrate PayPal in your e-commerce store. So customers will be able to pay you using PayPal. And after the complete payment, you will be able to start delivering the watch or watches to your customers. So all of these things will be taught in this course to make sure that you will be able to build a complete e-commerce store using Laravel, and you will be on your way to become a professional Laravel developer. Who is this course for? Well, this course is for two groups of people, and if you fall into one of these groups, then I'd recommend taking this course. The first group is developers who want to build real-world projects. So if you are sick of building useless projects and you have not made any progress because you have been building useless projects, then this course is definitely for you, because this course will teach you how to build a real world project, a project that people and customers come over to over and over and over again, and you as the developer will become a professional because of building such a project. The second group is developers who want to specialize in Laravel and become professional developers. So if your goal is to specialize in Laravel, then this is your opportunity, because building an advanced project is the way to go. Building an advanced project will take your skills to advanced skills. You will be taught a lot of things in this course, and these skills will make you stand out and also will put you on the right track to become a professional developer. What is expected after taking this course? Well, after taking this course, first, you will have robust understanding of a Laravel project and its structure. Second, you will have created a complete e-commerce website for watches using Laravel. Third, you will have learned important skills that will definitely make you stand out from the crowd. Finally, you will be able to start applying for Laravel web developer positions, because building an advanced project will give you the confidence and will definitely give you the skills required to start applying for Laravel web developer positions confidently. If you have any question about this course, let me know and I'll be glad to answer it. You can contact me on my website, commoncode.com.